Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create tasks here in Salesforce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Salesforce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating a task in Salesforce is a straightforward process that helps you track activities, deadlines, and follow-ups for yourself or for your team. Tasks can be associated with various records such as accounts, contacts, opportunities, or even cases. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the app launcher that is beside the setup on the upper left corner. It's grayed out, but if you hover your mouse, you're going to be seeing some colorful circular buttons. And from here on the grid search bar, type in task. You see that under items. And basically, we're just going to click the new button that would lead us on creating a new task. You see this one right here? I want you to click on the plus button that says new task. And from here, it's very easy. Put in the subject, which is going to be this. Task subtype is something like, it's going to be a task, but you have the multiple options of email, list email, cadence, or even LinkedIn. For now, let's choose the task. You can put in the assignees, for example, if you're working with multiple freelancers, team members, or part of your organization. You are welcome to do that. All right. You can even search contacts here. You see there's going to be an option. You can use contacts or leads depending on your preferences and goals. You can set the due date. For example, I'm going to be putting it on October 13th or 14th. Now, is it going to be related to accounts, asset, relationships, campaigns, cases, or contact requests, contracts, images, list emails, opportunities, and there's a lot that you can choose from. All right, you can put in your comments plus period to insert quick text. You can put the priority. Is it going to be normal, high, or none? I'm going to put in high. Status is going to be open, and if you wanted to put it as completed, you are welcome to do so. Now, on the reminder set, you can put in the create recurring series of a task. Is it going to be the daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly? So you can have all these options for you. You are not limited. If you click on the create recurring series of tasks, you can have, is it going to be every day, every other day? You can even put a custom for that. It happens like every 30 days or 20 days. It's up to you. You can put in the start date, which is going to be October 15th, 24th. You can also have the option to calculate latest date if you wanted. You will be forwarded to this unused option. And after that, all you have to do is click on save. All right. Now, after creating the task, you can view it in your list of tasks right here, manage its status, and update it as necessary. And again, we have set reminders earlier and repeated tasks or log follow-ups based on your organization needs. All right. So yeah, I can mark as complete, edit, delete, and even edit comments. All right. And that's it for today's video. Remember that creating tasks in Salesforce is essential for effective time management and ensuring that important activities are tracked and completed. See you in the next video.